Hello, welcome to the channel. This video is talking about two infinitives and gerunds. Let's get started. This is the last part of this chapter, two infinitives and gerunds, and today we're gonna talk about used to. Let's take a look. There will be 7 topics that cover in this area. First one, stress the past habit. Talk about past routine, common ways of negative statement with used to, common way to form questions, very formal English of using used to in negative statements, used to plus be, become, get, and last one, common mistakes. The first one, why do we use used to? Let's take a look. The word used to stress a past habit or situation that is different from the present. Example, I used to live in Canada. Okay, I used to. I don't live in Canada anymore. The word used to is a modal verb followed with a bad infinitive. Okay, so this will be a bad infinitive, so it will also be part of a verb. Used to live. Also, when we are talking about a past routine, we could also use the expressions used to. Take a look. During the summer holidays, I used to go. So here, which means I would go fishing every morning. Then when I got home, my mom used to and cooked. It could also using the word would. The word modal verb would could replace used to. Let's take a look. Instead of using I used to, I can say I would go and I would cook. My mom would cook. Then how to form a negative statement using used to? Let's take a look. I didn't used to like traveling, but now I love the past routine word. Okay, so here is a color red, and this bar is also a color red. I never used to like traveling. So used is a modal verb. And liked. So used to is a modal verb and like is another part of the verb. Then how about using used to form a question? Let's take a look. Did you used to live? Or when did you used to live? Okay, so here. And the question word that will be putting at the very front. Just like other question type. And here will be the same. Now, in some very formal English, we could use the word used to in another way in order to form a negative statement. Let's take a look. In very formal English, we form negative statement question with used to, like this. I used not to travel. Okay, so used you to live in Canada. So all these are very formal way of using the modal verb used to. Let's take a look at some other expressions. When the word used to plus be, become, and get, the word used will become an adjective, meaning being familiar. The expression will be or become or get plus used. and prepositions, we must follow a gerund. I'm used to traveling by sea. I travel by sea a lot and I find it very natural. Another one, however, I will never get what? Used to flying. Flying will never feel natural to me. I think I am finally becoming used to getting up. Used what? To getting up. So getting up early in the morning is becoming easier and easier. There are some common mistakes by using used to. Let's take a look. What are they? In expression be, become, and get used to, the word used is a preposition. So, because it's a preposition, so it always followed by a gerund. Never, never, never by the infinitive. So I got used to fly is a wrong expression. The correct expression should be I got used to flying in helicopters. Here. Alright. So that's all for this chapter. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.